All right. For anyone that owns a two-post lift or thinking about getting one, I've got a little tip. You get it? Anyways, all these lifts come with different spacers, tall ones, short ones, or you can use no spacer or whatever. You just, pop the top off, pull the spacer out, put whatever spacer you need in there to configure for your vehicle. Well, when you own multiple vehicles, sometimes it's a pain to remember what spacer goes where, and to save you some steps from getting on your hands and knees crawling around, what I've done is I went on Amazon and I purchased a little whiteboard, and every time I bring one of my vehicles on here, I write down which vehicle it is and what spacer it took for the front or for the rear. So far, that's actually been pretty helpful. Saves a little bit of time with these things. I know if you was running a business and having all sorts of different vehicles in every day, that would be a little different. But for this thing, I basically just use it for my stuff, my friend's stuff like that. Anyways, if you found this little tip helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. All right, see you later. Bye.